Hey there, Pat Logue with the Yank Group with another Ocean City property tour. Today we're at 4840 West Avenue, new construction, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, offered at $1,475,000. Hey, before we go inside and take a look, do me a favor, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go inside. We are greeted by a spacious front porch with plenty of room for entertaining. Inside we have an open concept with a well-appointed chef's kitchen and a fireplace. We proceed up a few steps to the bedrooms. A total of 5 bedrooms are on this level. Each bedroom has ceiling fan, light, and recessed lighting. The bathrooms are all well appointed. In the rear of the home, the primary bedroom has access to a rear-facing deck with marsh views, double sink vanity, and glass enclosed shower. We have a shared bath for the rear of the home as well. Hey, thanks for coming along for the tour. Hey, if you have any questions about this one or any of your other Ocean City property needs, feel free to reach out to me at the contact information listed below. And do me a favor, like and subscribe and share so you don't miss any of these going in the future. Take care, everybody.